Hello and welcome back to my channel, Billy Cheyenne Photography. Thank you everyone for coming on my channel today. Today we are going to be doing Pixieset. We're going to be signing up for it. Now if you are unaware of Pixieset, this is a platform which you can send to your clients and they can then download the photos. I am going to sign in here on mine and show you guys how it works. Actually, we're going to sign up together today. So, sign up is free. It's absolutely free. Go to pixieset.com, as you can see up here, and you push sign up like I did a second ago. You're then going to go to your business name. Mine is Billy Cheyenne Photography. Website. So if you have a website, this is where you would put it in. I highly recommend always putting in your website. And then your email. Okay, once all your information is in, you're going to then push get started. And this is what it looks like when you first sign up. Now, it's always best to get you completely set up, as in your logo and everything like that. So for the sake of this video, we are not going to be doing any of these. Just push the X. And we're going to go to profile. For today only, we're just going to set up 3 things, and then in the next video, we'll finish setting up your Pixieset account. So, first thing you're going to do is press on your profile icon. If you have already a image you would like to use, you could then put it here. I will leave in the description because I cannot remember off the top of my head what the best measurement for Pixieset is for logos. So I'm just going to go ahead, grab my logo really quickly. Here it is. And choose it for upload. Now I've already sized down mine so it looks okay on here. Then you're going to fill out all your information and just go down with all of that. And then biography, to me, the more information, the better. Fill out all your information down here and you are then done. So that's it as far as your profile. Once you have your information in, your thing should look like this. Now let's go to the client gallery. And you can now get yourself set up within these galleries. That is it for this video with setting up the profile. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button if it was helpful. Other than that, I will see you next week with getting a collection started. Hey, welcome to the video. Thank you for watching and sticking around. I hope you learned something with Pixieset. I will be definitely in the description about the square size for your logo because that is very important. But as I was editing this video right now, I realized I did not put in there what customizing it even does for you. Why do you want to customize it? So next week I will be getting all in the nitty-gritty of that for how it personalizes it, your Pixieset, for when you send it to your clients. So this is a huge deal and it's something you definitely don't want to miss. You want to take the time to customize your video. So if you have any questions or want to have a conversation about it, make sure you comment down below and put on your notifications for the rest of your setup of Pixieset. And I'll be breaking down everything for you too. So I hope you have a great day and hope that you learned something from this video.